On this episode of Old School Monster Life, we get down and dirty at Bigfoot Open House. First race was against Heath and BFT. Heath had some steering issues again this year, but we still got around him. He came out of the hole strong, but Earthquake got him on the second stack of cars, so here's that race. For the second race, Jeffrey Fielding in Old Red Truck wanted a rematch from last year. He beat me last year because the truck kept shutting off. My truck kept shutting off. So he wanted to win, but he didn't want to win like that. So we did a little bit of a grudge race. It wasn't on the books to race us, but they let us do it anyway, and I beat him. I beat him by a pretty good amount too. Like I said, my truck was running good. Last race of the day for all the marbles was against Tom Borders in Orange Crate. He got around me, but it cost him. His transfer case fell out and rolled down the track. I thought I was gaining on him over the second stack of cars, and when I looked back, I saw his transfer case following behind the truck. I thought, ooh, that's not good. But hats off to Tom. He drove that thing like a champ, and he beat me fair and square. That truck runs. knows it by now, but High Roller had a little bit of a problem. Jeff went to do a car crush in Freestyle and popped the truck up. It twisted in the air. The front end landed in a hole that shouldn't have been there because one of the cars was shifted over. When the truck hit the ground, it bounced the floats open, flooded it, shut it off, so he couldn't power out of it. Just 5 things that are rare to happen anyway, each in of themselves, but to have them all happen in the perfect order to make the truck roll over is just unheard of. But that's what happens, you know, just a freak thing. The right sequence of events happened and made Jeff lay the truck over. There was nothing he could do about it. There was no operator error. It was just things happen. It's a horrible shame, but I'm right now in the process of getting all the parts together and prepped for paint so we can put High Roller back together, and hopefully by July, today is June 14th, so hopefully by July he'll be able to have his truck back and it'll look good as new. But anyway, I don't have video of it, or if I do, I'm not sure if I do, but I have some stills, so here are the stills that I have of Jeff's rollover. So after we cleaned up High Roller, Bigfoot gave us a chance to do some freestyle. So there being old school trucks, we couldn't do, you know, high flying stunts that you see at a modern show, but we tried to do our best and entertain the crowd, and gave us a chance to cut loose a little bit. So here's some of the trucks and what we were able to do in our little freestyle segment of the show. We wound up having a lot of fun with it.